What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, music, and everything in between. I'm your host Icarus, and welcome back to the show.
Hustle at Esplanade, head to toe, fear of God. Host a show, can't get enough. I'm a dynamite and I'm blowing up. No pressure like Logic, yo. Feel like Jordan with his tongue out now. Rookie moves like professional.
I appreciate you guys stopping by, so don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification, and let's get to it, man. I do apologize for not posting a video the other week. I kind of got sick for a couple of days, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. And this is just a healthy reminder for all of you guys. Just keep your resistance up and stay safe out there, folks. And with that out of the way, I want to talk about one of my most favorite sneaker collabs this 2020 and one of my most favorite pickups this year. It really goes beyond the product, the design, and of course the overall unboxing experience. And somehow, someway, this sneaker collab tethers the line between luxury and streetwear in between. And of course, with Jerry Lorenzo at the helm of the design, he created a brand new silhouette for the swoosh, pushing the boundaries of a performance basketball sneaker into something that can rival something in the runway. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Nike Air Fear of God 1 in the triple black colorway. For those who don't know, the Nike Air Fear of God 1 is the silhouette created by Jerry Lorenzo roughly around the late 2017 or early 2018. And usually when a brand collabs with Nike, it's usually a tweak on the colorway, a little switch up on the design. But Jerry Lorenzo created his own silhouette, and that's crazy to me. And one of the great things is, this is one of his original sketches when he was creating this shoe. And he really went all out with the materials. It all started off with the light bone colorway and the black sail colorway back in, I guess, 2017 or 2018. And after its wide success of its release, a lot more color iterations in the future releases, with the triple black being its latest colorway this 2020. And I gotta say, it really looks classy, luxe, and clean to the look. Now we're starting things off with the packaging, and damn. Now usually when it comes to sneakers, it's usually boxed and go, but this is very high end in my opinion. And usually when you pay resale for shoes, you tend to wonder if it's actually worth, the extra couple of bucks. But with the high retail value of the Nike Air Fear of God, some people chose not to get it. But I gotta say, you're really getting what you pay for when you buy this sneaker. Straight from the premium materials used in the sneaker, the original silhouette, and of course the overall unboxing experience as well. Now we start things off with a very light toned orange box, smooth to the touch, with a light Fear of God branding in center. And as you open your box, you are greeted with your very own tote bag made from luxe cloth and woven materials. I guess you use this bag as your very own sneaker bag if you don't want to carry around that huge ass packaging. Next up is free foil bags. First up is a small packet with your extra lace guards and your Fear of God tag. The two big bags for your pair of Fear of Gods. Man, I still can't get enough of this sneaker, man. It really looks premium to the touch. Yes. Hello. Now starting things off with a tip, we do have a fused toe guard with a pop of 3M right here in the toe. Moving up to the toe box, we do have that live calf suede in that tumbled black colorway, with triple black stitching accenting the mesh upper. Now moving up to the body of the shoe, we do have this really nice feeling mesh material for the upper, with a nylon strap running in the center of the shoe. Now moving into the lateral and medial sides of the shoe, we do have this flywire cable system that houses your black round laces, together with this matte black triangular midfoot cage that helps with the overall support of your foot. And as for laces, the Nike Air Fear of God does come with the default black on black laces, but we do have extra white laces and earth laces if you want to switch things up. But I'm leaning more on the white laces if I want to do a little contrast. Now moving into the guts of the shoe, we do have this really nice perforated sock liner, padded to the touch and very smooth. And we do have this very nice perforated insole with a reference to Joshua 10, 24, 25. Now moving into the sole of the shoe, we do have this very nice sculpted midsole and outsole in that blacked out colorway. And with Air Fear of God and Jerry Lorenzo's grandpa's service number embossed in black. And as for more blacked out accents, we do have a very nice mini Nike swoosh right here in the lateral side, a nice blacked out Nike Air branding at the back, and Air Fear of God branding in the midsole. And another standout feature of the silhouette is this inverted tongue found right here at the back of the shoe, which kind of acts as a shoehorn when you get this shoe on foot, and it really helps a lot with the overall fitment and the overall lockdown of the shoe. And to cap things off, we do have a very nice metal zipper found at the back with a subtle Nike and Air Fear of God branding card. And as for sizing and fit, the Nike Air Fear of God 1 does seem to fit true to size, as I am a true size 12. But if you're a wide footer yourself, I highly suggest to go up half a size or a full size up, because it would help a lot with the overall entry of the shoe when you put this shoe in. Me myself as a narrow footer and a skinny leg myself, kind of had a little trouble putting my foot in and getting my foot out. So I kind of would imagine how much more if you're a wide footer yourself. And to be fair, your sock game kind of plays a part as well. As a narrow footer myself, I kind of would prefer like thicker socks so that it would feel like most space right here in the Nike Air Fear of Gods. But if you're a wide footer, I would suggest using thinner socks and going up half a size. As for comfort, the Nike Air Fear of God has a really comfortable ride. I mean, underneath this heavily sculpted midsole, this shoe houses a full-length Zoom Air unit for the midsole. And not only that, it's double stacked Air Zoom unit because of another Air unit found underneath the Zoom Air Strobel board found in the heel. Overall, man, the Nike Air Fear of God has been one of my most worth it pickups this 2020, with the overall design aspect, the uniqueness of the shoe, and the overall unboxing experience. And quick hot take, most of the time when it comes to sneakers, you don't get what you pay for. I mean, when it comes to the overall resale value of the shoe. But for me with the Nike Air Fear of Gods, it's a very different take. With its current resale value here in the Philippines, I would still say it's a solid pickup. If you can get it for retail, slightly above retail, or under retail. Speaking of under retail, I actually got this pair for under retail. So a huge shout out to my brother John Ray Fajardo for tossing me the pair. I appreciate you, brother. Ingat ka dyan lagi. And I'm looking forward for more size 12 deals in the near future, man. This has been like a staple in my collection, and I don't see myself letting these go anytime soon. Well, that's enough about me, man. How about you guys? Leave a comment down below and let me know what are your most favorite pickups this 2020. Or what are your thoughts on the Nike Air Fear of God 1 in the triple black colorway right down below. Once again, man, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and check me out on Instagram at rural.icarus right here for more sneakers, streetwear, and music related content right here on the channel. I am Icarus, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.